Emosyonal na ikinuwento ni dating Iloilo City Mayor Jed Mabilog ang karanasan nito matapos itong malagay sa narcolist ng dating administrasyon. Sa pagharap nito kahapon, September 19 sa House Quad Committee, pinabulaanan niya ang pagkakadawit sa iligal na droga at sinabing nanganib ang kanyang buhay kaya ito napilitang umalis sa bansa. Isang general umano ang tumawag sa kanya at sinabing kapag siya ay pumunta sa krame ay pipilitin siyang ituro ang mga noon ay leader ng Liberal Party bilang mga protektor ng iligal na droga.
Using a public payphone, I made the call and spoke to General Bato, who expressed his sympathy. He was talking to me in Bisaya. He told me he knew I was innocent, that I wasn't involved in illegal drugs, and he promised to help me. Just after that call, my Philippine cell phone rang. This time, it was another general. His voice was grim. Mayor, do not return. Your life is in danger.
You mentioned about if you went to Camp Crame, dalawang pwedeng mangyari. Based on the accounts in your affidavit, and you were told na you will pinpoint a certain former senator and a certain presidential. Is it Senator Maroas, former Senator Maroas?
Yes, sir.
Oh, is it former Senator Drilon, which is your cousin?
Yes, sir.